quickly, let's take a look at how today's trading session has panned out. What started strong saw a dip in the midday mark, but now we've seen a complete recovery from the day's low as well. 0.4% uptick once again back to those 25,430 levels. So all's well that ends well. That seems to be the case for the Nifty today. Sensex too, similar 0.4% move coming in over there. You have Nifty Bank that's also about 0.5% higher. So no complaints from the overall texture of the market, because even the broader end of the market, the mid cap and small cap indices have done pretty well for themselves. The advance decline ratio very even Steven, but only slightly in the favor of the advances today. What I really want to highlight today is the India wicks, that is at around 9.8, 9.9 levels, below that 10 level. So that is also saying something about the market right now. If you take a look at some top gainers and losers, Eternal today, one of the top Nifty gainer, in fact, after Goldman Sachs hiked the target price to 360 from 340 earlier, bullish stance coming in, Eternal up about 3%. Following that, you have HDFC Life, Sun Pharma, Infosys, Cipla, Wipro, HDFC Bank. So a mix of financials, IT and pharma have led the market rally today. On the flip side, let's take a look at some of the biggest index losers today, and that's Coal India, Bajaj Finance, Trent, Tata Motors, Ultratech Cement, as well as Apollo Hospitals. Sectorally, day of the pharma stocks, absolute dominance by some of those stocks like Biocon, up 4% on the back of the launch of its 2 drugs for osteoporosis and bone disease coming in from US FDA. Loris, Natco, Glenmark, Aurobindo, Mankind, Ipca Labs, Sun Pharma, Gland, all of them have done pretty well. Cohance Life Sciences, on the back of that block deal, was slightly under pressure. It's estimated that it's the promoter that has sold stake. So we'll get to some more details about that a little later in the day. 6% cut coming in on Cohance Life. IT stocks, they gave their gains to the pharma stocks today, but still a close second, because if you take a look at some names like Coforge, LTI Mindtree, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, all trading with gains of more than 1% today. What was under pressure is the top sectoral gainer yesterday. That's PSU Bank, slightly under pressure today, with IOB, PSB, Canara Bank, Indian Bank, all of them under slight pressure. So it's pharma, IT, banks, FMCG, metal and auto in the green. Maruti Suzuki also has announced the passing of GST benefits. On the flip side, energy, media and PSU Bank with real estate slightly on the flat line. That is what the market texture has been like today, and we seem to have ended around that 25,420 thereabouts for the Nifty. We'll give those rates some time to settle, but that's a wrap on this edition of Closing Trades. Thanks so much for tuning in.